So today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install Ola TV on your Amazon Firestick device. So this is very simple and easy video for every Firestick user. Make sure to stay with me till the end that you don't miss anything. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to press remote home button for 3 seconds. And here as you can see settings option, then click on. Now find here my FireTV option. Once you have find my FireTV option, then click on. Then open developer option. Now scroll down apps from unknown source and press remote select button. When you press remote select button, a message will appear on your screen. So select turn on. Now here as you can see apps from unknown source has been enabled. Now go back to home screen by pressing remote home button. Now here what you have to do, you need to download downloader on your Amazon Firestick device. So click on search icon above the menu and type here downloader. When you type DO, the suggestion below downloader, then click on. And here as you can see orange color downloader app, click on. Now click on download button. After downloading downloader, then click on open button. When you launch downloader first time, it will ask you allow some permission, so click on allow. Then click on OK. And here as you can see search box, so click on and type here firesticklab.com/ola.apk. Once you have typed firesticklab.com/ola.apk, then click on go button. And here as you can see Ola TV has been downloaded on our Amazon Firestick device. So click on install. After installing Ola TV, then click on done button and delete APK file. Now go back to home screen by pressing remote home button. And here again press remote home button for 3 seconds. And click on apps. Now here as you can see all installed application on Amazon Firestick device. Click on Ola TV. So you can use this method to download Ola TV on your Amazon Firestick device. And I hope this video is really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any question, then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.